I'm doing a quick video on upgrading that Seagate external hard drive. I have a, let me see, it's a 3 terabyte hard drive in here. This is the model information. So it's an expansion desktop hard drive model SRD00F2. It's an old drive. I've had it for years, and I'm just going to upgrade it from a 3 terabyte to a 10 terabyte drive that I have. That came off my Drobo that I'm no longer using, that 10 terabyte drive. The Drobo went kaput. So I just want to mention, you do this at your own risk. You break it, that's your, you have to be careful, but I do not take any responsibility. I am not an expert in this. I'm not telling you what to do. I'm just showing you what I did. So like I said, I'm going to upgrade this. I'm using it on a Windows computer. And it's very simple, but you have to be very careful. It doesn't have any screws or anything. You have to work your way through the edges. So I'm going to use my flathead screwdriver to do that. And try not to mess it up too much. I'm going to try to get in there and pry this apart. It has clips. So I finally got in. You make your way in. It has clips, and what you have to do is unclip them one by one. If you do it too fast, too many at one time, you're going to break the clips and you won't be able to put another hard drive, or it won't stay in place. So I'll use another flathead and just unclip that. Put that in there. Then I'll take this one out. That was not a good thing. Okay. So once you get it to one edge, be careful, don't push it too hard. You don't want to mess anything up in here. Get another one. Okay. So once that's done, you go to the edge here. And you're going to want to separate this outward. So I'm going to want to go out like that. Be really careful. It's plastic. You'll crack it. Let me get the thinner one. The thinner the better. These are the two thinnest ones I have. Okay. Just work it up and out. So I'm kind of bringing it up and then out again. See? Up, unclips it, and then pushes it out. Let me do this other side too. Do not drop this. It has a hard drive in there, so you don't want to mess up the one that's in there, unless it's broken already, but this one is not. I'll be using it for something else. Put that in there, and I'm going to work my way here with the steel. The skinnier the better. Be careful, don't hurt yourself. You are dealing with this screwdriver, sharp object. Okay, keep on going. Okay, now you're just doing the front here. there we go. Imagine, it's a Seagate drive. Imagine there was another brand drive in there. That would be really funny. So this is the way it looks. And it's a SATA drive. So let me, it should slide out. This is just a shield here. And I don't think it has any screws. I'm almost sure. So the hard drive, I should be able to wedge it out. Oh, it's got a case. That's interesting. I'm pulling it up. It has these cushions. Okay. These cushions go, I've seen them before. They go inside these little opening here. So you got to put these onto the new drive that you're. There we go. The whole thing came apart. Remember which one is the back? So the back is this area here. I guess this area here. Closest to this little thing. I hope you have that also. It's upside down, the letters. And that's the back. So I take out all these things. And it should come right out. Let me take this out to allow it to slide out of the silver container. It's a Phillips screw. It should slide right out. That's what I'm used to. My first time opening it, so yep. And it's a regular SATA drive. So this is the 3 terabyte, and there's a SATA connection. Ooh, there's a SATA connection there. The control and everything for the external hard drive. And this is the front of it, or the back. That's where the USB-C goes, and the power connection. So we're gonna take the 10 terabyte drive, slide it in, I'm just hand tightening these things, and again you just put this piece here. The cushions for the case. Doesn't look like I broke anything. No clips. Let me just show you the clips. One maybe a little bit damaged, but it'll be good. It'll be alright. Like I said, this is the bottom. These are the clips. See, this one I think broke. So those are the clips you're unclipping them from, these things here. Those are the clips you're trying to keep from breaking. No screws. Again, this is the bottom. Slide it right in the slot. You see it right there. That's good. Simple. Then remember, openings go to the back here. Make sure to remember that. I'd hate for you to close it up and it it looks like it'll close off on either side because it looks exactly the same. You want to make sure you're at the openings. It would really not be a good thing to close it the other way. You have to unclip it again. Every time you unclip it, you take chances on breaking clips. So. So I made it, I clipped it all together. Great. Now let's put it on the computer. Right now you'll see a screenshot of me showing the full size of the drive, formatting it, and then I'll come back to end the video. As you saw from the screenshot, everything came up, no issues whatsoever. And this will be my new 10 terabyte external hard drive. All I used, try to get two thin flathead ones. I don't have another one like this. I would have been better off with one of these. But it wasn't hard at all. Just be very careful. Again, do this at your own risk. Sit down. Don't have this too far away from the table, as if you drop it, you know, you can damage the hard drive. It is a 10 terabyte drive. You don't want to do that. So try to find two thin hard flathead screwdrivers, and I needed a Phillips screwdriver or the star screwdriver to undo the ends, and it's really simple, real easy. All right, so I hope you liked the video. I hope it helps. Thank you. Bye.
Some info on item. Seagate 3TB expansion desktop hard drive, old model, USB 3.0 STBV3000100 model, SRD00F2. Available at, on Amazon, https://www.amazon.com/Seagate expansion desktop external STBV3000100/DP/B008344/8. Brand Seagate. Type of product 3.5 inches digital storage capacity, 3 terabytes hardware interface USB. About this item: easy and simple to use. Simply plug in the power adapter and USB cable. Fast file transfers with USB 3.0, compatible with USB 3.0 and USB 2.0. Product description. Size, 3 terabytes. Simple, reliable add-on. Storagethe Seagate expansion external hard drive by Seagate offers an easy-to-use solution when you need to add data storage to your computer instantly. Drag and drop file saving, right out of the Boxusb. Poweredfast data transfer with USB 3.0 or USB 2.0 connectivity. Product information. Size, 3 terabytes. Technical details. Other technical details. Brand Seagate. Item model number STBV3000100/SRD00F2. Item weight 2.06 pounds. Product dimensions 7.07 by 4.65 by 1.48 inches. Item dimensions LXWXH 7.07 by 4.65 by 1.48 inches. Manufacturer Seagate. Language, English. ASIN B00834-8. Thanks for purchasing a desktop external drive. www.seagate.com. Visit us at our support pages for assistance with installation, additional instructions and troubleshooting assistance. Knowledge base, FAQs, how to use this product. Download center, installation software, utilities and diagnostics. Warranty information. And all of your other storage needs. To contact support, visit us at our Contact Us page. Note: to protect your data, always follow the safe removal procedures for your operating system when disconnecting your product. FCC Declaration of Conformance. This device complies with Part 15 of the FCC rules. Operation is subject to the following two conditions: 1. This device may not cause harmful interference. And 2. This device must accept any interference received, including interference that may cause undesired operation. Class B. This equipment has been tested and found to comply with the limits for a Class B digital device, pursuant to Part 15 of the FCC rules. These limits are designed to provide reasonable protection against harmful interference in residential installation. This equipment generates, uses, and can radiate radio frequency energy and, if not installed and used in accordance with the instructions, may cause harmful interference to radio communications. However, there is no guarantee that interference will not occur in a particular installation. If this equipment does cause harmful interference to radio or television reception, which can be determined by turning the equipment off and on, the user is encouraged to try to correct the interference by one or more of the following measures. Reorient or relocate the receiving antenna. Increase the separation between the equipment and receiver. Connect the equipment into an outlet on a circuit different from that to which the receiver is connected. Consult the dealer or an experienced radio/TV technician for help. Caution: any changes or modifications made to this equipment may void the user's authority to operate this equipment.